Welcome to Monday's Mindful Community Collective Meditation. We're thrilled that you're a part of our mindfulness community. Please share this meditation with others in your life so that this community continues to grow. Today's meditation is dropping the suitcases of worries and regrets. Now, who doesn't want to do that? It's a difficult subject because we're talking about anxiety and the weight that we carry. So to help you reduce anxiety, let's take a minute to relax our bodies. We want to sit comfortably so that we can breathe fully and deeply, but we also want to be comfortable. And we'll begin by softening any unnecessary tension that we're finding in our bodies. We can close our eyes and rest our hands gently in our laps and take a few moments to scan our awareness through the sensations of our bodies, and wherever possible, let's soften and release these obvious areas of physical tension. And we're just breathing easily, breathing in and breathing out. As we're aware of our body's breathing, our chest rising and falling with each inhalation and each exhalation. And now let's just imagine standing in the street outside of your house with two heavy suitcases. And know that one of those suitcases is full of worries about the future. And the other suitcase is full of regrets about the past. And take a moment standing there in the street holding these two heavy suitcases and just reflect about each one. Reflect about the future, how it will come on its own accord whenever it comes, and that most of what we worry about will never happen. And standing out there in the street, reflect about the past, the other heavy suitcase, and just consider how the past cannot be changed. All we can do in the present is to learn from it. Put in whatever corrections make sense. Become more skillful, become a better person, and move on. Standing there in the street, feeling the weight of these suitcases and absorbing the wisdom of your own reflections right now, make a conscious decision. Do you want to drop the suitcase of worry about the future? And if you do, just simply drop it. Then, standing there in the street with the other suitcase so heavy about the past, make a conscious decision. Do you want to drop it? And if so, just drop it. And as soon as you've dropped the two suitcases, walk into your home and take a seat right where you are and just plop down, so relaxed, like someone coming home from a long trip, dropping suitcases, just relaxing, rested in the present, just breathing in and breathing out, resting in the natural well-being of the parasympathetic nervous system, resting in the fundamental well-being of awareness itself, awareness which does not worry or regret, resting as if this is meaningful for you. Just allow yourself to simply rest, feeling a sense of peace, of joy, of well-being, a natural happiness, always your true home, without carrying heavy suitcases of worries about the future or full of regrets about the past. Simply rest here in your body right now with total relaxation throughout your body and your mind.
Thank you for joining us. We hope this meditation brings you peace and calm.